welcome back. Now I want to show you how to
Your
change.
NIN name. Simply open your browser and search remitter.net. Then this will show you several options. See, buy data, buy airtime, buy electricity, cable TV, and all of that. You simply scroll and tap on bills and purchases. Tap on pay billers. Second option, now you see pay recruiting payments, pay invoice. What you do now is to fill all of this. Who do you want to pay to? This payment is about National Identity Management Commission, that is NIMC. Name of service or purpose. What is the purpose of your payment? Now come with me. Let's get the purpose of this payment because it has to be correct to avoid waste of time and all this. It says modification of any other field other than date of birth per transaction. DOB means date of birth. So tick the circle, it will fill up and show you the exact amount that you're supposed to pay for this. Payer's name. This is your name. Ensure you use the exact name. Now you use the original names you want to pay. Let's say if your surname, that is the surname you answer is Fela, and your first name that people call you is Oge. Make sure you write it in full as it is on any of your ID card. Then let's say you also have a middle name called Ogene or Abdullahi. So just know that you will type your name exactly as it is on your ID card. Usually know that surname is the same thing as your father's name or the name you answer as father's name. First name is the name that you are called, the first name that you were given birth with, and your middle name or other name. So just fill it correctly. This check the ID card you'll be using, especially your NIN or BVN details. So just make sure it's right. Now fill your phone number and put an active email address you have access to right now. Now put the same email address again. By clicking submit, you agree to our terms, conditions, and privacy policy. You can take your time and go through it if you may. If you don't want to, you can click submit. Okay. Oh, there is a captcha box here saying you should confirm this. I am not a robot. So tap on it. You want to confirm that you're not a robot. Now click submit. Now this is loading a fresh page for you to make payment of the said amount, which is 500 naira that they showed you earlier, and the total amount that will be debited from you will be 663.94 naira. Now you fill the content, the 16 digits on the front of your ATM card here. You put the expiry month and date. Now turn the back of the ATM card and put the 3 digits called CVV. Then the moment you're done with that, you tap on this amount, pay 663 naira. And now open your email address, electronic invoice payable by Fela. The name I input there, that is my name, is Fela. So that's why it's saying this. And now this is what I said you should copy out. Just take this number, remitter retrieval reference. Take it. You can go ahead and read the message they sent to you here. Dear Fela Ogene. So take this to anywhere that you can swear affidavit, like courts, local government areas, police stations, and areas like that. You'll be able to swear affidavit. So get there, tell them you want to change your NIN name. The moment you get there, they will give you a form to fill. They will ask for this RRR, this remitter retrieval reference. You take both the affidavit and this receipt of payment, you take to the NIN office, and the good news is they will process the change for you. The result usually takes about 3 weeks to 1 month to sync with your original identity details, and it's just that simple.
Thumbs up, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next upload I'll make.